eyes gently. Allow your body to relax into this moment. Feel the weight of gravity gently grounding you. Let your breath flow naturally, in and out. Don't try to control it, just observe it. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle expansion and contraction of your belly. Imagine before you a large, ornate mirror. It's ancient and beautiful, with a frame crafted from polished wood, or perhaps intricately carved metal. Notice its details, the way the light reflects off its surface. This is not an ordinary mirror. This is a mirror to your soul. As you gaze into the mirror, don't look for your physical reflection. Instead, look deeper. Look beyond the surface. See the swirling colors, the patterns of light and shadow that represent your inner world. Your emotions, your thoughts, your beliefs, your experiences, all are present within this reflection. What emotions do you see swirling within the mirror? Are there vibrant hues of joy and love? Perhaps cooler shades of sadness or fear? Don't judge what you see. Simply observe. Acknowledge the presence of each emotion, each feeling, as a part of the whole that is you. Look for the light within the mirror. This light represents your inherent goodness, your strength, your resilience, your potential. It may be a bright, steady glow, or perhaps a flickering ember. No matter its form, know that it is there. It is always there, even when it feels obscured. If you see areas of shadow or darkness, don't turn away. These represent challenges, past hurts, or limiting beliefs. Acknowledge them without judgment. Understand that they are also part of your journey, part of what has shaped you. Send a gentle breath of compassion towards those darker areas. Imagine the light within you growing stronger, gently illuminating those shadows, softening their edges. Know that you have the power to heal, to transform, to grow. you to gaze into the mirror of your soul. Spend some time simply being present with what you see, with what you feel. There is no right or wrong, no good or bad. There is only you, in your wholeness, in your authenticity. As you prepare to slowly shift focus, take with you the understanding, the gentle acceptance you have shown your soul today. Carry that within you. Know that you are whole and all is well within your soul. Slowly, bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, and gently, in your own time, open your eyes.